Hi friends, good morning. Myself AG sir from Samved School. Today we are going to discuss another topic. In last lecture we have calculated molar mass. We have calculated mole concept. Today we are going to discuss composition of element in compound by percentage. So today's topic is percentage composition. Very simple, very easy. Let's write down first what is the topic. Percentage composition is our topic. Why the percentage of composition is required? Generally you are given any formula. Let's have one formula. Suppose we are having H2SO4 sulfuric acid. So number of element present in sulfuric acid, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1 and oxygen is 8. And you have already calculated molecular mass of H2SO4, that is 98 point something. But when you are to decide that what is the percentage of hydrogen in the composition H2SO4, what is the percentage of sulfur in the composition H2SO4, and what is the composition or percentage of oxygen in molecule formula or composition H2SO4. So now we are going to discuss the percentage of hydrogen in H2SO4, percentage of sulfur in H2SO4 and percentage of oxygen in H2SO4. That is to be said percentage composition. So you are given known formula or you are given unknown formula. You must find out the percentage composition of an element in given compound by proper method. So we have to follow one formula to calculate percentage of an element in given compound or in given composition. H2SO4 is just one example. Suppose you are given H2O, then percentage of hydrogen in H2O you have to find out. Percentage of oxygen in H2O that you have to find out. You are given example of ethanol, it is C2H5OH. So percentage of carbon in ethanol is what? Percentage of hydrogen in ethanol is what? And percentage of oxygen in ethanol is what? That is calculated by very simple formula that we are going to discuss. No worry, don't give and get tension. Chemistry sums are very easy. Then you have already calculated the sum of standard 8-9 of mathematics. So easy. All value you are given, just you have to put the value and then you have to give simple calculation to get the final answer. So don't afraid of the sum of chemistry. Chemistry subject itself easy, very interesting. You just go deep in chemistry, you will come out the ocean of knowledge, and it is very practically knowledge. So today's topic is very simple and very easy. So now we are going to discuss according to your textbook that in H2O what is the percentage of hydrogen and what is the percentage of oxygen. When you find the percentage of an element in given compound and you make the sum of all the percentage of element, it must be nearby 100. Answer may be 99 point something or answer may be 100 point something. But answer should not 99, answer should not 98, answer should not 101%, answer should not 102%. It must be very nearer to 100% when you make the sum of the percentage of element. And you can check yourself that you have calculated the sum is correct or incorrect. You can check yourself. When you make the sum of the percentage of element of compound, you must get the value nearby 100 because the percentage is always calculated in 100. So now we are having the formula that we can make the sum you are given in your textbook, and we will find out the percentage of given element in given compound. Let's see. So find out the percentage. Find out the percentage of an element in given compound. Suppose it is H2O. So percentage of an element, this is the formula, equal to mass of an element in compound upon molecular mass of compound into 100. This is the formula. So if you want to find out the percentage of hydrogen in H2O and percentage of oxygen in H2O, you will find out the percentage of hydrogen and percentage of oxygen in H2O with the help of this formula. Suppose we are going to find out the percentage of hydrogen in H2O. So percentage of hydrogen equal to mass of an element. So mass of hydrogen is 1.008 and there are 2 atom hydrogen. So we have to calculate 2 into mass of H into 100 upon molecular mass of H2O is 18.02 grams. So we have to find out, we have to put the value molecular mass of H2O. So what will be the answer? 2 into 1.008 into 100 upon 18.02. So if you calculate the value, you will find out the percentage of hydrogen. It will answer 11.18%. Answer will be 11.18%. You just 2 into 1.008 into 100 upon 18.02, you just calculate, you will find out the percentage of hydrogen in H2O is 11.18. Now we are going to find out the same value, percentage of oxygen equal to, oxygen is 1. So we will direct put the value, mass of an element is 16 gram. So 16 into 100 upon mass of molecule H2O is 18.02. So you will find the value of oxygen, it is 88.79%. So in H2O percentage of oxygen is 88.79 and in H2O percentage of hydrogen is 11.18, you just make the sum of these two percentage. 11.18 plus 88.79. So 9 and 8, it is 17. 1, it is 9. This is 9. This is 9. Total percentage we have obtained 99.97. It is very nearer to 100. You will not get perfect answer 100%, but if you are getting the answer nearby 100%, that is correct answer. So this example is calculated in your textbook. So you follow this formula. Want to get the percentage of element in the compound, you have to make the formula mass of an element in compound into 100 upon molecular mass of compound. You are given in H2O there are 2 hydrogen, so 2 into mass of hydrogen into 100 upon molecular mass of H2O, then 2 into 1.008 into 100 upon 18.02, you will get the answer 11.18%. So in H2O, percentage of hydrogen is 11.18. Same formula will be used for the oxygen. So percentage of oxygen equal to mass of an oxygen into 100 upon molecular mass of H2O. So mass of oxygen is 16 into 100 and molecular mass of H2O is 18.02. You just make the simple form, you will get answer the 88.79. When you make the sum of these two percentage, answer must be nearer 100. You will not get perfect 100% because the value is used point something, and point something having simple variation. Now we are having the another sum that we are going to discuss. Let's see, formula will be kept the same and we will find out the another sum that you are given in your textbook. It is for ethanol. So find out the percentage of an element in ethanol. You are not given formula, but you are given the name ethanol. Formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. Don't get confused. This is purely organic chemistry that we have not started. So you just remember the formula of ethanol. It is C2H5OH. So what will the percentage of carbon in ethanol? What will be the percentage of hydrogen in ethanol? And what will be the percentage of oxygen in ethanol that we have to find out? So in ethanol there are 2 carbon, total 5 plus 1, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So we will find out the percentage of carbon, percentage of hydrogen and percentage of oxygen, and we'll make the sum of all percentage. Total will be nearby 100. So now we are having the sum. We will not use this formula continuously because you can now easily remember. So I am deleting the topic mass percentage. Mass percentage of an element. This is the formula, right? So we have to find out mass percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So in ethanol there is 2 carbon, 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So percentage of carbon equal to, there are 2 carbon, so 2 into 12.02 into 100 upon molecular mass of ethanol, you are given 46.068. So percentage of carbon, when you give the simple format, percentage of carbon will be 52.14%. You give this simple format, you will get the percentage of carbon will be 52.14%. Now we are going to find out the percentage of hydrogen. So percentage of hydrogen equal to 6 into 1.008 into 100 upon molecular mass is the same 46.068. So percentage of hydrogen, you will get the answer, that is 13.13%. When you give the simple format, you will get the answer 13.13. Now we are going to find out the percentage of oxygen. So now percentage of oxygen equal to, there is only one oxygen, so it is 16 into 100 upon molecular mass is the 46.068. You will get the percentage of oxygen will be 34.73%. So we have got three answers. Percentage of carbon is 52.14, percentage of hydrogen is 13.13, and percentage of oxygen it is 34.73. Now you make the sum of all this percentage. Let's see what is the answer. So percentage of carbon is what? 52.14. Percentage of hydrogen it is 13.13, and percentage of oxygen, percentage of hydrogen percent and oxygen percentage. Oxygen percentage is 34.73. Let's make the sum of all percentage. 4 plus 6, 100. Sorry, 10. 1, it is 10. 1, 3, it is 10. It is 1 and 6, 4, 10. You will get 100%. Total percentage that you have found is correct. You just follow the simple formula. Now I am giving 5 examples, 5 sum. In homework, you must calculate the molecular mass and then you have to find out the mass percentage of element in given compound. So now it is clear. Simple, you have to remember this formula. Mass percentage of element equal to mass of an element in given compound into 100 upon molecular mass of compound. So you are given the formula. You have to number of element is given. You are given number of element. You are given number of element. You just follow the number you are given, then multiply, then 100 multiply and divide by given molecular mass. You will get the percentage of element very easily. Again repeating, don't worry. Sums are very easy. Suppose you are given, find out the mass percentage of hydrogen, carbon and oxygen in ethanol. So percentage of carbon, there are 2 carbons, so 2 into 12.02 into 100 upon molecular mass of ethanol is 46.08. You just give the simple formula, format, and you will get the percentage of carbon 52.14. Same way, if you want to get the percentage of hydrogen, there are total 6 hydrogen, 5 hydrogen here and 1 hydrogen here. So we have to multiply 6 into 1.08 into 100 upon 46.068. You will get the percentage of hydrogen is 13.13. Same way, want to get the percentage of oxygen. In ethanol there is only one oxygen. Mass of oxygen is 16 into 100 upon molecular mass of ethanol is 46.068. You will get the mass percentage of oxygen is 34.73. You just make the sum of all percentage. It must be nearby 100. Sometime you will get perfect 100%. It means you are on the correct way. You are on the right way. So it is clear now. Now we are having 5 sum in homework. So homework in H2SO4. You have to find out the molecular mass first, molecular mass of H2SO4, then percentage of hydrogen, percentage of sulfur, and percentage of oxygen. So we have calculated already 10 sums to find out the molecular mass. That formula will be repeated, so you will get double practice. Earlier topic will be revised and this topic will be help you to make sum easy. This is the method. First sum, second sum C2H5COOH, third C2H5NH2, fourth sum C3H7OH, fifth sum C4H9COOH. You will find out the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. You have to find out the percentage of all elements in given compound. First you will find out the molecular mass. That will be used in formula. You have to find out the molecular mass. You have to find out the molecular mass. You have to find out the molecular mass. Then you will get the percentage of element, because molecular formula will be required in formula. So 5 sum is for the molecular formula, and then we will get the percentage of element in given compound after finding molecular mass of given molecular formula. So it is double practice. So I think topic is clear. Follow your textbook, example, and do these 5 sums yourself and send me homework without fail. Thank you very much.